Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso, and in this video we're going to take a close-up look and a quick installation guide on the new Roush Cold Air Intake for the 2.3 and 2.7 liter full-size Ford Broncos, and it fits years 2021 and up. Now, when it comes to flowing more air into an engine, especially forced induction, that's always a good thing, but you want to make sure you're filtering it nice and clean, especially if you're going to be off-road in the dust. Now, at the time of making this video, there aren't a lot of cold air intake options for the new Ford Bronco, and Roush has been first to market here. Now, a few have been announced, but these are the only ones that are out so far. So here it is. It's going to go on our Bronco build, and we're going to quickly talk about this product and the performance of this product. Now, honestly, it's not going to take too long to talk about this product because it is fairly simple. It basically reuses most of the intake box on the Ford Bronco and the intake scoop to make sure you're pulling cold air from outside the engine bay and maintaining the Bronco's natural water fording capability, because it does have a little snorkel at the top of that intake. Now, it features this filter. This filter is a large K&N style filter that is not a dry filter. It's got oil on it. It's going to help pull way more dirt off of the air that's flowing through it, while that air is able to flow through it more quickly and more easily. It's also 30% larger surface area than your stock filter, which is a dry filter. So you have more filter area, and a filter that filters better means the air going in is cleaner and it can get in faster because the air is passing through it even more quickly. And they also include this pre-filter. Now, this is a fine mesh filter that's meant to help filter out any other particulate, especially in those dusty, dirty conditions, large particulate as well that can maybe clog your filter. This is going to help get that out of the way before the air goes in. And then they also give you this replacement, very nice looking top to the box, which has a window so that you can look through and see the condition of your filter without having to take it all apart to inspect it. You can just get an idea of how much darker has that red gotten, and is it time to clean and re-oil this filter. And that is the other thing about this. It is a maintainable filter, meaning you don't have to keep buying new ones. You can just keep this one in great condition by cleaning it and re-oiling it, which is a super easy process. And not all intakes are always 50 state legal, but this one is. You can have this in the state of California. And the installation is also a super easy process. It goes right in. You got to do a little assembly on the lid, and then the whole thing goes together, probably less than 15 minutes. And we're going to show you how to do that right now. But as usual, if you'd like to purchase this, click the link right here. That's going to take you over to Motoroso.com, where you can reach us on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. Before digging into this install, we're going to need to prepare the Roush intake cover. Before placing the Roush emblem, we recommend cleaning the surface with a rubbing alcohol to guarantee this thing sticks to the cover perfectly and doesn't end up in the engine bay while you're off-roading. Next, you'll need to install the weather stripping around the cover by pressing it into the groove. Moving under the hood, first you'll need to remove this pop clip holding the scoop in place. With a Torx bit or a socket, remove the 4 bolts securing the intake cover to the airbox, followed by the cover itself. Now you can remove your stock air filter by simply pulling it up and out. For this video, we decided to install the fine particulate filter cover as well. This is up to you. The installation is exactly the same. Place the new air filter down into the box and snap it into place. Next, place the new Roush airbox cover onto the airbox and reinstall the 4 OEM bolts. You'll now need to separate the OEM scoop from the airbox cover. To do this, you'll depress the clips on the inside of the stock intake cover and pull firmly to release the scoop. Then install the scoop to your new Roush intake cover by pressing firmly. And lastly, reinstall that pop clip, and with that, you're done. All right, told you that was easy. If you'd like to buy this Roush intake, head on over to Motoroso.com with the link right here. That'll take you to our website where you can reach us on live chat, and you can call us toll-free anytime at 833-MOTOROSO. Now, if you'd like to get an exhaust system that makes a little bit more sound and open up a little bit more power, check out the AWE tuning exhaust. We put that on our Bronco build right here. It sounds fantastic, adds a little bit of power, but mostly it gets your Bronco sounding the way it should. Thanks for watching.